go. Good boy. What's in there? What is that? Oh, the nose came off. Okay, we'll give you one after. I love those. Wow, look at that one. It'll take you 10 minutes to destroy one. Wow, what is this? Wow. That's a lot of pumpkin seeds. You put. Help me open it. Help me open it. Whoa. Wow. Good, look at. There you go. Whoa, look at that. Look at that.